Welcome to Wine 101. My name is Bernice Liu, and I'm here to demystify wines for you. Shall we? The first step in making your wine bar, the right booze. The second step, the right glassware. Today I'm not really feeling the white, but I'm definitely feeling the full body red. When opening a wine bottle, try to do it quietly, like a ninja. First you take the foil cap off, then you put the corkscrew in. Twist it about 6 to 7 times. Use the levers to help you if you need to. And just a little hint, if you use the pour to help you, you won't have any drips or spills. And then you're ready to pour. Cheers. You can properly hold a glass by the base or the stem. First you see, then you swirl, then you smell, and then you sip. Oh, and don't forget, when you clink glasses, to look at the person in the eye, or else it's 7 years of bad. The list goes on and on. To know more on wine, wine tips, and maybe even winemaking, join my masterclass at the Wine and Dine Festival.